What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we're cooking a pork belly stir fry. Got some nice pork belly right here. It's cut up into pretty much some big old bacon chunks. But yeah, let's go ahead and cook this stuff up. Gonna throw some veggies in here. Got an awesome sauce for this one. So yeah, check it out. So we got the pork belly over here cooking. I'm gonna put a little oil down over here. I have this burner off, this burner all the way low, and these two are on like a medium. So let's just get these veggies started over here. And even with that burner off and that one on low, we're still sitting at 330, so nice and hot. So got a sizzle from it. So boom, just wanna get that stuff going. Turn it up a quick bit, and then we're gonna turn up the pork belly. See how we're looking over here. I think we're getting a nice crisp on there. Oh, baby, yes. So you see, a lot of fat comes off this stuff, and that's okay because fat means flavor. So boom, let's just keep that stuff going. And actually, I'm gonna turn these down. Oh, turned it off. Want it just low. Gonna go a little lower, go like to a medium low. So this stuff's cooking up good. Let's just clean up a little spot. I'm gonna cut this stuff up, mix it together, put some sauce in there. Boy. So as some of this fat starts to kind of pull off and kind of puddle up, like a big white puddle right next to the food, I'm kind of just ripping it off and just pushing it down the drain because we have a ton of grease here, and I'm about to start cutting these into, you know, bite-sized pieces. So let's do that. All right, so you see I got this cut up. We got the other pieces inside. We're gonna do something a little special with them for a different thing. So let's get these veggies involved here. Just mix this stuff together. I got most of that oil, or not oil, grease out of here. All right. I'm just gonna let this stuff cook together for a couple minutes and then just get the sauce in there, dish it out. So the sauce is starting to thicken up a little bit. Ooh, this smells so good. So this is 3 tablespoons of the, correct me if I'm saying this wrong, the gochujang sauce, 3 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, 3 tablespoons of water, quarter teaspoon of sugar, and quarter teaspoon of ginger, ground ginger. And that's it, man. That's all the sauce is. Sticking it up nicely. Let's just put this over some white rice and eat it up. Ooh, let's give this a try. Man, I love this stuff. This sauce, so good. Nice crunch on the veggies. Not a lot, but perfect. I didn't put any salt or pepper because, you know, you're getting a lot of salt from this pork belly and just doesn't need it. And the seasoning, all the stuff I put in the sauce, so good. So good. It's got a little spice, not too much. This is good. That's all I got, guys. Get in, eat my dinner. Enjoy the night. Appreciate you guys coming along. Hit that thumbs up for me. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. Yeah, I mean, good one. Appreciate you coming along. Thanks. Ooh.